Bitvavo NFT Marketplace Netherlands app. The pros, the cons. The Bitvavo NFT Marketplace Netherlands app brings digital collectibles to one of Europe's leading crypto exchanges. You won't believe what happens next. Users can now browse, buy, and manage NFTs seamlessly within the Bitvavo app. On the pros side, Bitvavo offers strong security with two-factor authentication and encrypted wallets. Funding NFT purchases from your crypto account is simple, and the interface is intuitive, making NFT management accessible for beginners. Users can track collections and participate in trending NFT drops. On the con side, the marketplace is smaller than international competitors, limiting the variety and availability of rare NFTs. Advanced features like auctions, analytics, and cross-chain support are minimal. Transaction fees may rise during peak periods, and high-demand NFTs can sell out quickly. In conclusion, the Bitvavo NFT Marketplace Netherlands app is ideal for European users seeking a secure and integrated NFT experience. While it doesn't match the scale or features of larger platforms, its convenience, safety, and beginner-friendly design make it a reliable choice for casual collectors.